Hi, so I have Becky and Aska. They are going to do a pile driver and tombstone pile driver. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, start. Mnaongea.
Oh, your beach. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling warm.
Okay. Yes. I can see you're too heavy, beach. Come on, beach. I'm done with you, beach. Come on. Beach, flow that way. Come on, come. Yeah. I wanted you to be there, beach. Huh? I can see. Yes. Yes, beach. I love it. Beach. Yeah. How are you feeling? Stay there. Smell. Beach.
No namfanya.
Okay. Come here. Oh, so heavy. Come here. How you feeling? How you feeling? Beach. Are you strong? Yes. Okay, come on, baby. Put your hand. Are you feeling? Bitch, now it's your time. Come on. Let me show you, bitch. Come. I can see. Okay. Yes, bitch. That way. How are you feeling? You're too heavy.
Yeah, I know.
You're too heavy, bitch.